Is your overtime out of this world? If so, maybe I can help. My name is Kristen Smathers, and I enjoy building high-performing teams for growing companies. I received my undergrad in business and am pursuing my master's degree at Clemson University. Along with my education, I've spent 15 years in talent operations. I started in recruiting, where I implemented high-volume strategies, hunted purple squirrels, and led several successful record-breaking teams. From there, I had the opportunity to build out 2 different centralized staffing offices and take on special projects. Some of the projects I spearheaded involved expediting employee onboarding, reducing layers of employee and managerial redundancies. I even saved a company $500,000, and that was just in their first year. The savings came about when I identified their inefficient staffing practices and used a multi-pronged approach to eliminate 3/4 of their overtime hours. It was a win-win for the organization and for the employees, and I had a lot of fun doing it. I really enjoy fixing what isn't working for companies. I'd love to hear what challenges you're facing right now and see if I can help. Should we set up lunch early next week?